He's coming! He's coming! He's coming!
Mermaid!
Oh, jeez!
Calm down. What's going on? You're freezing.
You just frightened me!
Relax. Come on. Adrian and I found the magic stone you need.
What? What are you saying?
It's time to turn you back into a human. Come on. We gotta head down
You
to the
serious?
forest. Come on, mermaid. We gotta make it to La Belleza.
But we gotta be very careful. The villain is still too close. Crazy Poochie.
Mermaid, don't you get it? This is your opportunity to turn back
Okay,
into a human.
It's just that I'm scared.
Okay, Achilles, come on.
Look! I can see the train! Come
Yeah,
on!
come on.
Crazy Poochie, but how are we gonna get to the magic stone now?
Don't you worry, Crazy Lala. First, we have to get to the forest, and from there on, we must follow the trail. It's not exactly easy, but it's not impossible.
You gotta take good care of this diary. It's the only opportunity I have to turn back into human.
Okay, don't worry. I'll keep it really safe. Come on, this is our stop.
Come on, Crazy Poochie. We gotta hurry up.
Okay. Come on, it's right this way.
And now, Crazy Poochie, which way do we go? Left or right?
I don't know.
Look in the diary.
All right. What?
No, you lost it. Oh man, I told you.
Don't worry. It must be somewhere near.
I told you to take good care of it.
I'm pretty sure it's somewhere in the train station. I'll go and get it, okay? Wait for me here.
Oh, what will happen to me? Huh?
It must be somewhere.
What's that over the railroad tracks? The diary! Crazy Poochie! Crazy Poochie! The diary's on the railroad tracks!
This way. I surely left it on the train.
No! He can't listen to me! What can I do?
We won't be able to find the stone without that diary.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it. Ay, ay. Crazy Poochie!
What? Lala! Mermaid! Mermaid!
The diary's right here! Oh, I gotta reach it!
Look out! Crazy Lala!
No, here comes the train!
Crazy Lala! No!
Crazy Poochie! The diary! The diary!
Here it is. Mermaid, never, ever put your life in danger again,
But
okay?
it's just, without the diary, we won't find any solution to my problem.
Mermaid, your life is far more important than any diary.
What was that? What was that? Well, let's go and find the magic stone.
Okay, Mermaid.
Okay, take out the diary.
According to the map, we're right here at the train station in La Belleza. We have to take
Through the trail in the middle.
Yeah, then we'll reach the crossroad, and from there on, the path will become a little more difficult. We'll see.
Okay.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, Crazy Poochie. Maybe he's following us.
I think one wheel is busted now.
No!
Are you okay,
yeah,
mermaid?
But I think you'll have to carry me.
Okay.
Crazy Poochie, are we there yet? I'm thirsty. I need water.
Okay. We'll take a break in a minute, but we have to keep going.
Crazy Poochie, I think we're lost.
No, it's right this way. Trust me on this. I feel we're getting closer.
Careful.
Okay. This is the tree where Adri and I found the key to the chest. We're actually getting closer.
Well, look at the map.
Okay, we are somewhere inside this forest. We gotta make it to the crossroads. Then it's just going straight ahead, and we'll make it to the magic stones.
But that's too much. It's a path too long. I don't know if I could stand it.
Crazy Lala, you must keep it together. We'll find some water very soon. Hang in there.
Come on.
Come on.
Okay. Look! There's someone there!
It's her.
But who is she?
Calm down, Crazy Lala. She'll tell us where the magic stones are. Excuse me, lady. Could you please tell me which way to go?
Crazy Poochie, give her some money. That's what she wants.
All right. Please, tell me which way.
Give her more.
What? But she has more money than me right now. Okay, tell me which way to go. Tell me which way now! Come on, mermaid. Okay, come on, mermaid. If the lady pointed me right, we're getting really close.
Which way did they go?
Look! The trail is over there!
Okay, I remember.
Which way did they go?
Come on. We're almost there. Look at that. We made it.
Huh? Crazy Poochie! Look! What's that?
It's the stone, mermaid. It's the stone.
We made it!
Yeah. Okay. Here we are, mermaid.
Oh man, it's unbelievable.
You're gonna become human, mermaid. Come on, touch it.
Okay. No!
Touch it.
It won't let me! It's not working.
But... Ah!
Huh? What's that? I've never seen something like that before. Crazy Poochie, what are you doing? Careful! Oh? Where did he go?
What? But... what is this place?
Crazy Poochie! Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, mermaid. On the other side of that portal is your solution.
But what are you talking about?
The diary. Hand me the diary.
Okay, take it.
Now I understand everything. There's 3 elements. Stone, water, and fire. Here we have the stone. We're still missing the other 2 natural elements.
Then, on the other side, you could find the other elements?
I think that on the other side, we could find water.
Okay.
We have to get there, mermaid.
Okay, let's go. Are you sure, Crazy Poochie?
I don't know, but it's the only way to turn you back into human.
Okay, come on.
finish.